Hello, my grade 8 and 9. I didn't triangle tsa rona ashi. Find A and B. A ya rona ashi ka mo this side, and then B ya rona ashi ka mo this side. Okay? Then, go lebella triangle e na le yona. Re na le eng? Re na le triangle e na le ntwe ke 90 degree. Okay? E na le 90 degree, meaning triangle e na le 90 degree e bitswang right angle triangle. Okay? Then, ge o nyaka length, o na le triangle e na le right angle triangle, o berekisa ntho e bitsiwang theorem of Pythagoras go kry length ya hao. Theorem of Pythagoras o e berekisa ge o na le length, e ba o file length tse pedi, o shota ka length e 1 go kry length. Okay? O berekisa theorem of Pythagoras ge o na le length tse pedi, o shota ka length e 1. Mara ge o na le length e 1, o shota ka length tse pedi, ha o khona le o berekise theorem of Pythagoras. And we berekisa fela ka eng? Ka right angle triangle. Ka triangle ha o e na le 90 degrees. Okay? Then formula ya theorem of Pythagoras ke eng? Ke r squared equals to x squared plus y squared. Ke formula ya theorem of Pythagoras. Formula. Okay? Then arik e mo kae mo triangle ya rona. Arik the longest side, the longest length ke r, ke the longest length, meaning r o tlo e bona ka the longest ebile o tlo e bona e opposite of 90 degree ke r. And then x ke ka mo side ya triangle. Y is this side of the triangle. Okay? Then r thomering o ka thoma ka o nyaka A or o ka thoma ka o nyaka B mo triangle. Okay? Meaning o ka thoma anyhow r thomeng ka B he ka yona ka triangle. Okay? Then triangle ra na ya mathomo ro berekisa which triangle? Na le triangle se ka mo, na le triangle tse 3 mo, meaning r ke thomo a ke le bontsho ro berekisa effing le effing, meaning ro berekisa this triangle A. Wa bona ya mathomo go kra eng? Go kra B ya rona A ash e mo kae length e re nyakang ke mo, ro berekisa triangle A. Then r ke le witso re ke eng? Ke the opposite ya 90 degree. I get ke the longest side. R ke eng? Ke B, meaning square se la ke sa formula ra sengwala. Then x ke kamo, then kamo ke di length tse 2 la bona. And the triangle ya rona e re batlang ke A, length ya teng e thoma mo e fitlha mo, meaning kamo ke 3, kamo ke 2, then o tlo re 3 plus 2 ke bokae? Ke 5. Wa reng 5 square se la sa formula plus y ke eng? Ke this length ke 4 squared. And then b squared equals to 5 squared. Ho e beta mo calculating yo fa bokae? 25. O ba o senya gore 5 squared o tlo reng 5 e tse kae? Tse 2, meaning o tlo re 5 times 5 ke 25. Then what? Plus 4 squared ke bokae? 16. Ho ba wa reng 4 times 4 ke 16. Then b squared equals to 25 plus 16 ke bokae? 41. Then sontso re reng re batlana le eng? Le b. Ha re batlane le b squared, re batlana le b. Sontso re tlose eng? Exponent e ya 2. Exponent e ya 2 e re tlosa bjang? Ka we square root both side of the equation. Every time go na le exponent ya 2 we rang you square root both side of the equation. Go nyoko tlosa exponent e ya 2, meaning 2a yo cancel le eng? Le square root. Then b equals to the square root of 41. 41 is not a perfect square number. I get, meaning ro engwala kang ka yona the square root of 41, because of 41 is not a perfect square number. Hegel is not a perfect square number. Ke ra gore Hegel the square root of 41 ke pancha mo calculating yompa a decimal number, ampe whole number, empa decimal number, nomoro ya di comma, meaning it's not a perfect square number. In a perfect square number, no so ke better mo calculating imphe whole number. Ke tla iturkeng a perfect square number. Then b ya rona ke bokae? The square root of 41. Then a re nyakeng a ya rona. The same formula ya theorem of Pythagoras. R squared equals to x squared plus y squared. A ya rona a re lebelleng gore ka gore ke di butsa ka rena le triangle tse 3. Rena le triangle A, ra bana le triangle A, ra bana le triangle A. A bona ke tse 3. Mara una le triangle engwe o ka se berekise go berekisa theorem of Pythagoras. This triangle A, la bona e ha o ka se kgone go berekisa a ke gane rena le eng? Rena le di length tse pedi because re ke le b ya rona ke the square root of 41 le eng le length ka mo ke 2 ka he ke le butsa theorem of Pythagoras o e berekisa ge o na le length tse 2 o nyaka length ya boraro o berekisa theorem of Pythagoras. Mara le ntse re na le length tse 2 re nyaka length ya boraro e ya rena e kam o ka se berekise this triangle ka gore triangle e kamo angle e is not 90 degrees, it's not right angle triangle, this angle e mo. So theorem of Pythagoras we berekisa only ka eng ka right angle triangle ka 90 degree, meaning this angle a it's out, you cannot use it. Then ro berekisa eng for a, ro berekisa this angle, like what angle a, angle a kamare ka mo ina leng 90 degree, it's a right angle triangle. Re ka berekisa yon, re berekise a for b le yona ina leng 90 degree. For A, re berekisa this one. Ina leng 90 degrees. Then, R ya rona ke bokae? Ke A. Because it's opposite of 90 degree. R ya rona ke A, ro ngwala square sela sa formula equals to x ke bokae mo? X e thoma mo. Triangle ya rona e thoma mo e fitla mo gopole. A se yo yotlhe. Last result yo yotlhe ka re rile 3 plus 2. Nearly the whole length. This time I see the whole length. If it come, meaning thoma mo fitla mo ke bokae? Ke 3. O tlo reng 3 squared plus y I change ke 4 squared. And then a squared right ngwala equals to 3 squared ke bokae? Ke 9 plus 4 squared ke bokae? Ke 16. I get it? Then a squared equals to 9 plus 60, 25. Then, so to say exponent A. Exponent A, you square root both sides. And then, the square root of A squared, A cancelali A, hosala A, ki A, the square root of A squared, equals to the square root of 25. 25 is a perfect square number, meaning the square root of 25 ke 5. Our A ya rona ke bokae? Ke 5. Wa bona simple be ama grade 8 and 9. Simple, sharp.